You are going to love the 2014 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: black door handles, inside you'll find trip computer, compass. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable, all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.